So here are the parts that I used. The Foseal was probably worth its weight in gold. All the stuff can be found in the links below. I took it to the mechanic. It was really cold outside. They diagnosed it as a misfiring cylinder, and they wanted $1,500 to replace it. And I asked them how long it took. They said maybe half an hour. So that was a joke. So I just decided, you know what, I'm going to do this myself. It's not rocket science, and so here it goes. Hyundai Santa Fe 2008 2.7 liter SUV. I've got about 267,000 miles on this, and so it's starting to throw a code, and it's acting like number 2 cylinder isn't firing, and it's running real rough. So I went ahead and bought a OBD2 reader. So I'll plug that in and we'll diagnose and see kind of what's going on. Alright, so right here by the brake pedal, if you kind of go up here, there's a little connector, and this will connect into the car's computer system. And so I bought this Foseal Wi-Fi OBD2. Basically it's a computer code reader. So I'll go ahead and plug this in here. And then fire the car up. Okay, this is the result of the torque light output, so it tells me that I'm misfiring on cylinder 4. Alright, so this is the engine. You have 4 10mm bolts here, 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 and here. Take those out with a 10mm socket, and the cover should just lift off. So in this case, 2, 4, and 6, these are the coils that go into the spark plug. And if you're unlucky and you have 1, 3, and 5, they're buried behind here, and you got to take this intake off, and all these connections and doodads and connectors, new-ha. So I got lucky. I'm replacing that guy. So all you need is another socket, and you're gonna have to need to take off this little connector. And to do that, I'm just going to use a little screwdriver here, and you're going to pry this tab up like that, and this connector should just come off. So here is the coil. I suspect it's bad. I'll take this bolt off and pull it out. Alright, so the bolt's off. Just lifts out. Alright, here's a view from the top side of the spark plug. So the job was really easy to do. It took me less than half an hour, and I saved about $1,500. That's what the mechanic wanted to charge. Okay, from here all you got to do is put in the new coil pack and you're good to go. Okay, this is a really easy job, so hopefully this helps somebody out and so they don't get bent over at the mechanic.